This is Rite in the Rain weatherproof printer paper. And if you're used to laminating documents, or if you have to print something important that you'll likely use outdoors or in some weather, I think you'll be relieved to know that this exists. Rite in the Rain is very easy to use, and all you need to use it is a laser printer, no inkjets. And then any document that you print will be instantly ruggedized, instantly durable, weather resistant so you can splash or spill on it, recyclable with regular paper, and still writeable. So that might have frustrated you with laminated documents. Our paper is available in a substantial variety. We have a full selection of sizes. We have 3 different stocks, so if you need a midweight, we have that, all the way up to a heavyweight cardstock for something beefier. We also have 4 different colors, and those include white, of course. We also have gray, green, and tan. And the benefit of those tints is that they actually cut a little glare in sunlight. In a commercial environment, you can't settle for paper that's going to get all staticky and cling together. You don't have to fear that with Rite in the Rain. You'll get professional results with professional equipment like this. You can buy Rite in the Rain printer paper in a small selection, maybe a 25 pack. You can buy a 200 pack, or you can buy a bulk pack of 500. No matter what you need for a big job or small, if you're working in tough conditions, next time you're out there, try Rite in the Rain printer paper.